Okay, Google now. What is the body temperature of a cat?
According to Chicago Tribune, a cat's normal body temperature can range from 100.5 to 102.5 degrees. Because 101.5 degrees is right in the middle, it's often referred to as a normal body temperature. Being that their body temperature is higher than ours, they can also tolerate higher temperatures.
Huh, I did not know that. How many calories... Okay, Google now. How many calories in 20 carrots?
According to Huffington Post, an average-sized baby carrot has 4 calories, 20. A serving is about 8 baby carrots, which is 30 calories, 2.5 grams fiber, and more than double the daily recommended vision-boosting vitamin A.
Huh, I did not know that. Okay, Google now. Okay, Google now. What song is this?
It's Bob the Bob by the Lounge Lizards.
The Lounge Lizards. Awesome. Okay. That was a lot of work. Okay, Google now. Okay, Google now. Wake me up in an hour.